This is the tutorial for the Android version of Adopter. I will start by creating a profile. So click Register. Type in the name of the father and mother in the adoptive family. Select We Are an Adoptive Family. Type in an email address. Now it's going to show that you will need to email this email address, info@adopter.cc. So I'm going to talk about the application process during the call today, but it's going to basically involve a video chat where I talk with you, and I'll check with the adoption agency for your home study approval. So at this point, if you try to go to messages, if you try to click messages, it's going to show this please apply by emailing the email address. But right now you can still edit the profile. So by clicking the person icon in the upper right hand corner. So this is a default profile image, but you can click on the image to select a different photo. And you can select more photos by pressing on the hearts. Here are additional questions having to do with adoption. So you can tell your story and write a message to a pregnant woman. If you don't want to fill something out, you can just leave it blank. So here I'm going to fill out the preferred adoption type as open adoption. And I'm just going to keep scrolling down how long we've waited to adopt. I'm going to type in 6 months. Home study completion status is complete. And these are just other stuff that you can fill out. So at this point, I will press save in the upper right hand corner. And now my profile is complete. After you've gone through the approval process, your approval will be updated and you will need to restart the app. On my phone, there's a button for showing all the different applications. So I'm just going to close Adopter and restart it. And now that I'm logged in, I should be able to go to the chats. Right now there's no chats, but I can swipe right on a profile and this will start a chat with a person. So now this person is in your chats and you can start sending messages to them. You can click on the upper right hand corner in the 3 dots to view the profile or flag the user. So this person, you can view the profile. This person seems distressed and you can read her story, and she's saying, I'm deciding whether or not to make an adoption plan. This is a sample profile, by the way. So back on this page, if you want to view the details for a user, click on the picture and it'll go to the details. This will show this person's details. And you can go press back to get to the previous page. If you don't want to start a chat with a person, just swipe left or press the pass button. And that's all you need to know for right now. So in the Android version, um, you can press the start chat button in the lower right hand corner, or you can swipe right to start a chat with someone. So that's all for the tutorial right now.